Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn on data saver mode on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down your screen until you find the battery and device care setting, this one. Tap on the setting. Then after that, you're going to click on ultra data saving to turn on the data saver mode on your Android phone. Okay, then you can simply tap on this toggle button to activate the data saver mode. Okay, then you can tap on turn on. Alright, and now the data saver mode has been activated. And actually, there is another way to activate this ultra data saving mode or this data saver mode on Android. You can go to the notification panel, then you can swipe left your screen, and you can click on ultra data saving option right here. And alright guys, that's how we can activate or turn on data saver mode on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.